Hello and welcome to Cargo Shots from the Stat Trade Times, powered by Group Concorde.
This is Nehal Gautam and you're watching Cargo Shots, where we bring you the top headlines of the week. Qatar Cargo appoints Mark Drush as Chief Officer Cargo. Qatar Airways Cargo has appointed Mark Drush as the Chief Officer Cargo, filling the position of left vacant since Guillaume Halleu's departure in August 2023. With an extensive background of over 25 years in senior airline management, Mark is a highly regarded figure in the aviation industry. In his previous role as a Senior Vice President of Revenue Management, Alliances and Strategy at Qatar Airways, he played a pivotal role in shaping and executing the company's revenue strategy while also overseeing strategic alliances with crucial partner airlines. Air cargo demand zooms 10.8% in December, according to IATA. In December 2023, the global demand for air cargo surpassed 2022 levels by 10.8%, experiencing growth of 11.5% in international operations. This marked the most substantial annual growth performance in the past 2 years. Global capacity also exhibited significant increases, standing at 13.6% above 2022 levels, with a 14.1% rise in international operations. Full-year demand reached a level just slightly below 2022 and 2019. The global full-year demand in 2023, measured in cargo ton kilometers, saw a decline of 1.9% compared to 2022 and a 2.2% decrease in international operations. Compared to 2019, it was down 3.6% with a decline of 3.8% for international operations. Capacity in 2023, measured in available cargo ton kilometers, saw an 11.3% increase over 2022 with a 9.6% rise in international operations. Compared to pre-COVID levels in 2019, capacity was up 2.5%. UPS to cut 12,000 jobs, save $1 billion in 2024. UPS, under the leadership of CEO Carol Tomé, will be reducing 12,000 jobs to save approximately $1 billion in 2024. Termed Fit to Serve, the move is a part of their commitment to right-size the company for future growth. Another key move is looking for strategic initiatives for Coyote, its truckload brokerage business. Tomé said this during the analyst meeting after the announcement of Q4 and FY 2023 results. For the fourth quarter of 2023, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles or GAAP results include a total charge of $502 million or $0.60 per diluted share, comprised of a non-cash after-tax mark-to-market pension charge of $274 million, after-tax transformation and other charges of $154 million, and a non-cash after-tax impairment charge of $84 million related to Coyote. For the full year 2024, UPS expects revenue to range from approximately $92 billion to $94.5 billion and consolidated adjusted operating margin to range from approximately 10 to 10.6%. Adjusted operating profit declined 27% to $2.8 billion in Q4 2023 due to lower revenues in domestic and international segments. Consolidated revenue also saw an 8% decrease, settling at $24.9 billion, while adjusted earnings per share dropped by 32% to $2.47 billion. DSV 2023 profits dropped 30%. Hence, Edgeloon becomes Group CEO. In 2023, DSV reported a 30% decline in profit, totaling $1.7 billion compared to $2.5 billion in 2022. This decline is attributed to reduced volume and a gradual normalization of both freight rates and gross profit yields in the market. The company's revenue also saw a significant drop of 36%, reaching $21 billion, while EBIT came in at $2.5 billion. The global decline in trade had an adverse impact on the Air and Sea division, experiencing a 33.1% decrease in EBIT compared to 2022. The Solutions division saw a 10.7% decline in EBIT, while the Road division maintained EBIT figures consistent with its 2022 results. Following these financial results, hence the current Group COO and Vice CEO becomes Group CEO, as hence Björn Andersson steps down after more than 15 years in charge of the DSV Group. Boeing reported loss of $283 million in fourth quarter of 2023, full year loss at $773 million. Boeing reported a 10% increase in fourth quarter revenue of 2023 at $22 billion and a net loss of $283 million. Boeing reported operating cash flow of $3.4 billion and a free cash flow of $3 billion. Results improved on higher commercial value and performance. For the full year 2023, Boeing reported a 17% increase in revenue at $77.8 billion and a net loss of $773 million, down from $3.5 billion in 2022. Commercial airplanes' fourth quarter revenue increased to $10.5 billion, driven by higher deliveries and a favorable mix. The operating margin of 0.4% indicated enhanced performance and reduced abnormal costs. Closing out the week, these stories stand out as the highlights in the world of air cargo and logistics. For your regular dose of the latest news, don't forget to stay connected with our YouTube channel. Until next week, thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you yet another insightful weekly roundup.